Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So I hope you have all been watching my videos on how to start a blog, and I hope that you're doing well with your blog and that you've actually started. But while you are blogging and setting up your blog, I want to tell you about other ways to make money online. And I've tried quite a few to see which one would have the most success and which one would be able to become another income stream apart from my blog, because the aim is really to have various income streams so that you don't rely just on one thing and you can make passive income from a few things. And I've tried surveys, I've tried sort of all sorts of other online things, and the one that's really stood out for me is KDP. KDP stands for Kindle Direct Publishing, and it's owned by Amazon. Amazon basically lets you publish books. You can self-publish. I mean, to me, this is like a completely new world, because years ago, I remember that if you wanted to publish a book, you had to go through a publishing house, you had to get maybe an agent. So there were all sorts of steps you had to do to publish a book, and that is so much easier now. Now you can just upload a manuscript, upload a cover, and your book is live on Amazon. But you say, well, I don't know whether I'm even a good writer, I wouldn't know what to write about. If I told you that you can publish books that have no content at all and are really selling a lot, you'd be surprised, and so was I. But this is what you can actually do. You can publish books that have absolutely no content and make money from them. So I show you an example. This is the KDP homepage where you can log in to publish your books, and I show you what I mean by no content books. So if you go to Amazon and you type in notebook, and I put in self-published so that we get the self-published books, because there are lots of notebooks on Amazon that are actually produced by companies that produce stationery. But the Kindle notebooks are basically paperbacks. They don't have any spiraling on the spine, for example. They're just normal paperbacks. And if you ignore the sponsored products and all that, and you go right down to the notebooks, you can see an example here. Happy 21st birthday, never stop dreaming. It's got a lovely unicorn on the front, and unicorns are very popular at the moment. So let's click on that one and find out a little bit more about it. And if we click on the look inside feature, by the way, if you're on your phone, you can't access the look inside feature. You can only do that if you're on your PC or your laptop. But if we have a look inside this lovely notebook, there you go. It's all lined pages, and that's all the book is, just a notebook with lined pages. But what makes it stand out is the cover. So people buy this in the same way that they would buy a birthday card or a birthday gift. So really, when you are publishing books on KDP, your self-publishing notebooks, you are really in the gift business rather than in the book business. So you have to think about what people would like as a gift. What would they like to give as a gift? So this would be a perfect example. It's better than a card because you actually get a notebook, but it's still a lovely gift for someone on their 21st birthday. So let's have a look at some other ones. If we go back, there's a very simple one here, Evil Plans and Stuff. So if we click on that one, and hopefully it will give us the look inside option. Yes, it does. So let's have a look. Again, it's just lines. So another lined notebook with a very, very simple cover. You could easily create this in Photoshop or in Canva, which is what I use. And it would be so easy to do. I actually think this is a little bit too easy, and it probably isn't the best way to create a book. But even saying that, this book is still selling, so it can be actually very, very simple. Let's see if there's another example. Here's another one here. Love you as much as you love yoga. I wouldn't say this is the best design, but you can see it's still selling. The reason I know it's selling is if you have a look at the Amazon bestseller rank. If it's ranking, it means that it has sold some books. The lower this number, the better. That means the more books have sold. So 173,596 ranking in books is actually quite good. That means a few of those have sold. As I said, the lower the number, the more books have sold. So, you know, it's not even a very difficult design, but it's selling. This is something that anybody can do, and I will be bringing out more videos to show you the process and a bit about my journey, how I made some money over Christmas. I started KDP in November last year, so just over 2 months ago, I would say. And already in my second week, I started selling books. And I made a little bit of money over the Christmas period. And the Christmas period is a really good period in terms of sales for this kind of thing. So I probably started at the right time with this, whereas in January the sales have dropped a little bit, but we've got Valentine's Day coming up, so I suspect that the Valentine's Day notebooks that I have produced will start selling. In fact, I sold one of them yesterday, but I still sell all of the other books that I have produced. Most of them are lined notebooks, so they're very, very simple to do. And I'm branching out into making more substantial journals or planners, that kind of thing, which sell really well. So this is a very, I want to say easy, but it's not actually easy. You have to put in the work. But it is easy in terms of that anybody could do this, even if you're not good at design. You can have a look and see how easy these covers are. They're not fantastic in design, but they are selling and good on them. And that's actually all you need to do, just to make your interior. And I will make videos to show you how I do that. And then make the cover, and then you upload it on KDP, and your book is live after they review it. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you subscribe and also join our Facebook group, where I will keep you updated and we can talk about all things blogging and now also KDP. So have a really good day, everyone, and I'll see you very soon.